Hello friends, in this video we'll see how to make aloo bhajji. Let us see the ingredients. 1 bowl besan, chopped chilies. Here I have taken 1/4 tablespoon of salt, small pinch of baking soda, cleaned 1 potato, little water. Keep the oil to heat on medium flame. Let us make thick paste. I have taken into separate bowl the besan. I'm going to add chilies, salt, baking soda. Now add little by little water and stir it to make the thick paste. Do not add more water. I have mixed it very well and this is how the consistency should be. Now paste is ready. Now peel the potato skin and slice it with the help of slicer. I have removed the skin of potato. I have sliced the potatoes. You have to do dip and drop. So dip the potato slices into the paste, drop it in oil. Let us see. Here the oil is heated now. Now follow dip and drop. Dip the potatoes into paste and drop it into oil. So fry this bhajis both side. When bhajis are little brown in color, you have to remove this. Here I have added second batch. Potato bhajis are ready to serve now. Please try out this recipe. You will enjoy this during the rainy season. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video.